guys, hope all is well. Welcome back to the channel. I'm finally out on the little CT again this morning. This is a beautiful, cool morning. Couldn't ask for a better day for a little quick ride. Just got up and went out on the porch, and it was good and cool, and decided to take a little ride. This is one of the most fantastic parts of the county here that I live in. And I thought we'd just cruise around and let you guys check out some of the scenery. This is it's just a great day for a little quick ride, get some cool air. It's been so hot this summer, and I thought it'd be nice just to get out and get some of that cool air in our face. So I hauled the little CT up to Boon, North Carolina a few weeks back, where, holy cow, check them things out. It's Halloween all year there. But anyway, I hauled the bike up to Boon. So Boon is at pretty good elevation, but it's always 10 degrees cooler or so up there. And this, you know, it's about a 3-hour ride. But anyway, I hauled the bike up there and didn't really see any rain in the forecast, but I noticed it was kind of overcast when I got up there. And it was a little bit before lunch, and I unloaded and started riding a little bit, and I noticed I just kept seeing storm clouds getting closer and closer, and I was like, man, I can tell it's gonna storm. So I was up around the gorge area, Linville Gorge area up there, and it just started sprinkling a little, and I didn't think much of it, and I got caught in the worst lightning storm you could imagine. So I booked it back to where I'd parked and chilled out there for a little bit, see if it would pass, and it just kind of had set in. It was just a nasty storm. So I got in the truck and decided I'd try to outrun the storm and find some more places to ride, and I did. Got ready to, there's a dual sport there. I don't know what kind it is. And started to get ready to unload, and here it came again. So I kind of give up. And the worst thing is, the entire length of all of the footage I got for that day had a huge bug right here on the lens. All right, guys, let the journey begin. We're kind of in the Linville Gorge area. Not really sure where we're going to end up today, just hunting some dirt. And it's probably 78 degrees, feels like maybe 80 at the most. There's an airport and a mica mine, maybe, not sure. Take your time. A little rough from last time, ain't it? The whole time, I never knew it. It must have got on there right away when I started up the trail. But anyway, I lost that footage. It was a pretty good, the part that didn't rain was some pretty good riding. I found some nice places, so we can go back. No big deal, but I hated that happened. So this little stretch of road right here is highly sought after for people to find property and put a house. There's actually a Atlanta Falcon ball player, retired ball player, lives down in here. And you'll see here why in just a second if it's not too hazy. It's just a really nice area. We'll cruise through here and check it out. I've been through here before, but it's a perfect little area to come take a quick ride in the early morning. So I got me a new tire put on the CT. I'll put a video up here for you guys to check out where we mounted the new tire on there. In case you ever want to do your own tire, I did a little step-by-step for you guys. It went pretty smooth. Unfortunately, they didn't have the size that I wanted. So yeah, here's why everybody wants. Check the view out there. This is why everybody wants in this area. Look there. Blue Ridge Mountains, we call that. Let's fork off here and I'll show you guys. Really pretty. Oh yeah, it's pretty clear today. Pretty nice. Yeah. Not much riding land off-road up in there anymore. There used to be. We've got a little bit, but unfortunately people moved here to get around the lakes and the mountains and pretty much taken away all of our public riding land, so we kind of have to go to North Georgia, North Carolina. We don't have a ton left here in South Carolina, but we got a little bit, and glad for what we got. They got some building. Oh, that's firewood there, isn't it? Yeah, let's sell firewood. They got plenty of it, buddy. Yes, sir. Really nice. Check that little field out there. Got the American flag. I need to get me a flagpole and a flag for my place. Roads back in here, isn't it? But yeah, that little area, people want to see those mountains, kind of get home from work, look out over the mountains and feel the stress come off. I get it. There, it's pretty nice. Looks like they got some jumping rings set up. Pretty horse. Let's go back down this way again. Hey cows. Little cows. Get a little different view from this angle here. This is my old stomping grounds as a kid. 6 Mile area. We used to come ride around in the trucks back in the day. Somebody's put them up a nice shop down there. Looks good. I don't think that's been there super long. That's pretty new. Check that place out. It's got a big old shop and a house above it. Now that's pretty cool. And a good view of the mountains. I don't think that's really old either. That's really nice. Holy cow, come on, man. On a double yellow. Jeez. Doing over the speed limit. People, man. Really nice view there. Pretty much have to drive for everybody else, unfortunately. Nice place. places out here. And we're gonna hang a left up here at the stop sign, and I'll show you guys some other cool places, cool houses and shops up through here. This is called Terrapin Crossing here road. Fortunate to have a little cool spot to live. So there's a big nice shop there. Really nice house with a basement. I grew up, my grandpa had a basement and had some good times down there by the fire on Christmas time. Super good times. There's a house up here I really like, old country house. Coming up here on the right. And then there's another one of those shop houses, I believe. Looks good, wraparound porch. Another nice house back there. Farmhouse there, brick farmhouse. There's the shop house. I love that. It's got mostly shop. I'm digging it. Nice big houses there. A little bit more view of the Blue Ridge Mountains there. The only drawback to upstate South Carolina is the heat, man. It's so much humidity, and it just gets so hot in the summertime. You just can't escape it. You just feel like you're gonna burst into flames. Other than that, though, we have mild winters, really nice spring and fall time of the year. Pretty much mid-June all the way through September. It's pretty hot here. Guys, well, if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate it. It's just a quick little easy video of a beautiful morning to ride, and was glad to finally get out on the little CT, let it stretch its legs a little bit. I appreciate you guys riding along with me. And if you like what you see, go down there and click that like button. Think about subbing to the channel if you haven't, and we'll be doing some more of these really soon. And hopefully the goal is to haul the bike back up to Boon again before the end of the summer. And I would really love if I could get away long enough to go up and camp, cook a nice meal. So I think I've had it for a year, over a year, and hadn't used it yet. I've got a little cool little firebox stove and I'd love to take it and cook something on it and film it for you guys. Just hang out around the fire and stuff, but just been waiting on it to cool down a little bit, you know, and that way we can enjoy camping a little bit more. So, all right guys, that's all I got for today. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.